Welcome everyone, today we'll be drawing a cute cartoon boba tea. Let's start today's lesson in the center of the page and draw 2 circles for the eyes. Let's start with the one on the left, starting from the very top, come all the way around toward the bottom, and then back up towards the top. I want to leave a gap in between the eyes and draw that same size circle on the right. So we'll start by lining up the top, come down towards the same height, and then back up. On the top left side of each eye, we draw a circle for highlight coming in. Let's add a smaller circle on the bottom right side. And then we'll fill the inside of the eyes in black. Now let's go in between the eyes and draw a straight line going across the mouth. Go back to the left side, curve the bottom of the mouth, coming down and then up. Let's add a straight line across the top for the teeth, curve across the bottom for the tongue, and we'll fill the center of the mouth in black. Now let's go all the way up towards the top and draw a straight line going across the edge of the lid, starting on the left, going all the way out. Let's round up the ends. And we'll draw another straight line going across. Now I want to draw a large half circle for the top of the lid, starting on the left, going up, and then across. Let's move down and angle the side of the cup, starting on the left, and down and in towards the bottom. Then we'll round out the corners, come straight across towards the right. Let's fill the bottom of the cup with some circles. Then just underneath the lid, we'll draw a straight line going across. And we'll place the straw down the center, starting on the left side, go across the top of the lid. Do the same thing on the right. Let's sign our art and add a splash of color. And there's a cute cartoon drawing of boba tea. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you again soon.